Welcome to our guide on measuring windows in Singapore for blinds installation. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to ensure you get the perfect fit for your windows. First, start by measuring the width of your window from the inside of the frame. Take 3 measurements at the top, middle, and bottom, and use the smallest measurement to ensure the blind fits perfectly. Next, measure the height of the window from the top of the frame to the sill. Again, take 3 measurements on the left, right, and center, and use the shortest one for accuracy. For tricky window shapes, like bay windows or arches, it's best to measure the widest point and the height at the tallest point. Remember to account for any obstructions like handles or locks when measuring. If you have multiple windows to measure, label each set of measurements clearly to avoid confusion during installation. Lastly, double-check all your measurements before placing your order for blinds to ensure a seamless installation process. By following these steps and tips, you will be well on your way to perfectly measuring your windows in Singapore for blinds installation.